Okay. Okay. So actually in last week we know the basic definition. We know the basic definition from the basic definition of trigonometric ratio, especially sine, cos, tan, cot, sec, and cosec. Also, we know this table, right? That is that very common angle of trigonometric ratio. We learned from last week. How was that?
It was fine.
It was fine. Okay.
Next chapter.
Yeah. What's that? This one?
Wait, it a proof?
Oh, no, no, I'm not talking about that. I'm talking about what are those things? Have you solved it?
No.
Why?
এই সময়টা তুমি আমাকে বলো আমি সলভ করতে।
আমরা কি এই চ্যাপ্টারে গেছিলাম নাকি?
না,
কোন চ্যাপ্টারে আমরা?
আমরা এটাতে আসছি।
এখন?
Yeah.
Are you sure about it?
Yeah. 6.4 বাবা।
Oh, 6 exercise 8. Okay. Actually, before coming to this, what's actually I want to teach you. Let's have some example first. According to this table, so if I say sine of 30 degree, what is the value of sine of 30 degree?
A half.
Half. It's very clear. Similarly, tan of 45 degree, it's called
1.
1. So we know it very. I need a very good pens. Not a good pen. Okay. Now the question is, what is the value of sine 120 degree? From this table, we cannot say. What is the value of, say, cos 300, say 300 something 15 degree? According this table, from this table we cannot say, right? Now what I'm going to show you is very important. As long as you will deal with trigonometry, this is very important, very important for you. That is called actually quadrant. This quadrant is like this, and after this lesson you will able to answer what is the value of sine 120, what is the value of cos 15. I mean the angle which are not belongs to this table. We will able to get that answer after learning from quadrant. Actually, from the quadrant, we will make all those bigger value within this table.
Okay.
That actually the objective. So quadrant, that is definitely is first quadrant. That is second quadrant, third quadrant and fourth quadrant. The rule is actually like this. Here, all positive. All positive means all 6 trigonometric ratio is positive. Positives here. Sine, cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot, whatever.
Oh, there's value.
Yes.
Okay.
Sine, all of them. I'm talking about the plus or minus.
Yeah.
All are positive here. Here, only sine positive. What does it mean, sine positive? What is the opposite of sine? Cosec. That means also the sign of cosec here, also positive. Here, tan positive. Sign of tan is positive here.
Cot.
What is the opposite? Yes, correct. What is the opposite of tan is cot, also positive here. Similarly here, cos positive and sec positive, right? And yeah, there is a sentence called all
Student.
student
Take
take
chemistry.
chemistry. That means all positive, sine positive, tan positive, and cos positive, right? And sine, tan, cot, opposite definitely of them are also positive. Normally, if any angle has the positive sign, something like this, right? One angle is like this, positive sign. It's rotate anti-clockwise.
Positive anti-clockwise.
Yes, positive angle or positive angle is a anti-clockwise. And if some angle negative, right, you can convert it to positive, or the negative angle can move clockwise. For negative angles, it is clockwise. Okay? So all student takes chemistry. Okay? Then based on the rule, actually, we will do something. All student take chemistry. Actually, say, let's go for example. Sine 210, right? What will be the value of sine 210? See, in the quadrant, it's 90, 90, 90, 90, 360. So you can determine this by 90, based on 90 degree, based on 180 degree, based on 270 degree, based on 360 degree. Many different way you can determine it. But let us learn by one way. No? Based on 90 degree. What we'll do first, divide angle by 90 degree. For example, if I divided here the angle 210 by 90, what will happen?
We'll
It's
get
2,
2, 180, remainder 30.
Remainder 13. That means 210 we can write.
2 sine 90 plus 30.
Then কত 2 into 90
Okay.
plus 30.
2 into 90 plus 30. Yeah.
Right.
Right in terms of 90.
Terms of 90. For example, in this case, 290 plus 30. Right? That means the term will be like this. The sine 210 is equal to sine 2 into 90 plus 30. Yep. Now the step 4. Now step 4, you will determine. Now your expectation, you will get some value here, right? You will get some value here. What will be the sign of that value? What the objective?
Figure out the sign.
Figure out the sign of the value, right? Sign this plus or minus, right? Minus or plus of the value. You have to figure it out this. And in this case, this quadrant will help you. You remember here, all positive, sine positive, tan positive, cos positive. That means in here, all positive, here sine and cosec positive, right? And all other negative. Here, tan and cot positive, all other negative. Here, cos and sec positive, all other negative. So, what does it mean? Now we have to come back to point 3 here, and you have to see the form 2 into 90 plus 30, and you have to move this figure through the quadrant. And as we told before, if the angle is positive, we will move anti-clockwise. If angle is negative, we will move clockwise. In this case, our angle is
Positive.
positive. So we will move anti-clockwise. And here, see how many 90 here?
2 turns of 90, right?
2 times of 90, 290. That means here is 190. Here is 290. Up to here, this line, right? And you have to move plus 30. That means in any way, you are coming back somehow here. Right?
Yeah.
And in this case, in this region, tan and cot is positive. All other are negative. Therefore, the sign will be negative. If I little bit take a pause here, see, you will get some value. The before 30, it is negative. For example, what will happen? 190, 290, and minus 30. If you get something like this,
তাহলে clockwise?
then you have to, instead of coming here, you have to go back. Right? In this case there. So this is the way. So in here, you will get the negative sign. Now that factor, coefficient of 90, You got the negative value? Then number 5, check coefficient of 90. What is the coefficient? I'm talking about even or odd.
Even.
If even, trigonometric ratio, no chance.
Okay.
That means in this case, here trigonometric ratio is sine, and here it will be sine. Right? And forget about this part now. Only you will be remaining this part, sine 30. Okay, little bit pause in this here. What will happen if it is odd? Trigonometric ratio will change. How? If it is odd, sine change to cos, vice versa, cos change to sine. Tan change to cot, cot change to tan. Sec change to cosec, and cosec change to sec. If odd, that means from here to here we are coming, after determining the sign, right? When you are coming here, then this trigonometric ratio will change. Then you find the value here. It's very simple now. You have negative sine 30, and value of sine 30 is half. So sine 210 is nothing but minus half. Any questions? Make sense? It's very, very important in your trigonometric journey, and it is required for your whole life. This concept, understanding of this concept. Making sense?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, let's say, try to understand something with the trigonometric ratio. Say, sine minus theta. What will happen? What does it mean? Right.
Clockwise,
Yeah, that's quadrant here.
Yeah.
Right? If you go clockwise, what will come here? This is 0 line in this block, right? Sine minus theta means here.
Yeah.
And in this case, you can say sine 0 times 90 minus theta, right?
Yeah.
You can write in the form of like this,
Yeah.
in the same form,
Yeah.
but 0 doesn't make sense. Therefore, it's come to here, right?
Wait, তুমি কেমন জানো এটা এখানে আসবে? এটা তো কোনো এটা জাস্ট থিটা, এটা anywhere আসতে পারে না?
Anywhere in this region,
Why?
because it's a negative, and negative moved clockwise, right? And this is my 0 line. It will move to here.
But এটা এখানেও নেগেটিভ আসতে পারে না?
কোনখানে? Look.
কেন?
Because if it is say several thousand, right? If you say several thousand, this theta, but it will come in this form in this way. Anyway, it will fall under this quadrant or this quadrant, this quadrant or this quadrant. Say, okay, understand your concept. Say, now theta less than equal 90 degree.
তাহলে এখানে আসবে।
Right?
Yeah.
If যদি এখানে আসে, if this theta is in here, Then here only cos and sec is positive. Right?
Yeah.
And sine is negative. That means sine of minus theta means minus sine theta. Make sense?
Yeah.
Any questions or?
এটা নেগেটিভ হয়েছে এই জন্য এটা এই কোয়াড্রেন্ট আর এখানে খালি কজ আর সেক পজিটিভ তাই না কিন্তু এ মাইনাসটা কেন এটা কেন চলে যাবে
এই জন্যই যে এই মাইনাসের কাজ হলো তুমি কোন দিকে মুভ করবা ক্লকওয়াইজ না অ্যান্টি ক্লকওয়াইজ
ওকে
Okay? Okay. Now, if we move in same way, say, similarly, if I say cosec minus theta, it will be minus cosec theta, right? Tan minus theta, it will be minus tan theta, same cot. Minus cot theta. What about cos minus theta?
প্লাস কজ থিটা
How?
এই জন্য কজ এখানে বলে
Yes, cos theta only. Right?
Yeah.
What will be the sec minus theta?
সেক থিটা
Okay. Make sense? Okay. Now, if I find some exercise to find those values, how to find a quadrant, if we talk to Medha, Medha has someone trigonometry book. I have given that book to you also.
ওল্ড কম্পিউটার
Or computer. Okay, then tell Medha to send to your email or find the book. I'll give you some exercise.
তোমার বয়স হলো এটা
Yeah.
Mate, can you send me Dad's trigonometry book? Huh?
She's not hearing.
Yeah, she did. Mate, can you send me Dad's trigonometry book?
You can find it on email also. Maybe.
I'll try to PDF? এটা এটা
But this one is trigonometry. Oh, actually, algebra.
এটা algebra.
Or trigonometry, it's
ওকে একটু ওয়েট করো শেষ করি একটু
go up.
আপ
Trigonometry, go down maybe.
Kita vectors?
Yeah. Medha, come please after some time. Algebra trigonometry is not the same book, Baba.
Okay.
Go down. Let's see.
I don't know. You send it to me. আমাকে আমার বাসা
মেধা তোমাকে পাইতে হবে।
এটা না
It is the same
আমি
book.
স্টপ করব।
Oh no, come down. Oh, 143 pages, yeah. No, not now.
আই বাবা
You have to finish it first.
এটা না একটা ক্লাস শেষ তুমি সার্কেল জিনিস এক্সপ্লেন করতে পারো এটা আমার বইয়েও আছে
Yeah, this what teacher explain করবে।
আমি এটা হাইলি ডাউট করি ও গিভ আপ করছে মাসের পর
তখন আমাকে বলো আবার।
He actually didn't. He gave us extra stuff last time, and he said he was
Yeah,
going to order us
this
a
is your
training.
quadrant, right?
He said he was gonna order us a training.
I say,
It's
This
getting
is your
recorded
quadrant.
what you're talking.
it should be recorded. This is your quadrant, and what I like you to do. What are those values? Exercise.
It is good, man.
But you're right. Kerala college is like harder. Oh, সব খাচ্ছে
Yeah, we're coming here. Cut.
Not fair.
Yeah, we're almost here. So these are the values. So you have to determine. You have to determine that actually value of those angle.
Okay.
I think there is a called answer key.
Okay, but just exercise lekho. Page or exercise number.
I need my
In
mobile
PDF it is
5 minutes.
180 pages, but normally it's 170
I need
now.
my
180.
I need my mobile in 10 minutes because I have meeting
We're
at
done.
9.
We're
I have
done.
meeting at 9.
We're done, ma.
180.
Got exercise করবো?
This is 7.1. It's number 1. Yeah. That is Roman 1 to 9. You enjoy this practice and we'll talk tomorrow.
আর এগুলো করবো না?
Do you know what is pi?
Yeah, I'm fine. Yeah.
Simply 180 degree.
Oh.
And 180 degree.
Circumference over diameter.
So pi means 180 degree. That means it's
Okay.
same, right? Just put 180 degree and determine that. Okay?
Yeah.
All right? Any question?
No. But এগুলো করবো না?
Yeah, it is same actually.
Yeah, তাহলে
1,
এটা
2, 3
লেখো।
is same. Number 1, 2, 3. 3 has 1, 2, 4.
Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
try this. That will be fine. All right.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks for the day.